In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photo in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on your screen, and how to get the best results once your image is attached. Start by heading to ChatGPT and signing in with your account. Once you're logged in, open an existing conversation or start a new one. You'll be working in the message bar at the bottom of the page. That's where you type your prompts, and it's also where you'll find the attachment control. Look closely at the message bar. Depending on your device and interface, you'll see either a plus icon or a small paperclip icon near the text field. That's your upload button. If you don't see it right away, make sure your window isn't zoomed too far in and check that you're on the latest version of the app or using a modern browser. When you're ready, click the plus or paperclip icon to start attaching your image. A file picker will open from your computer's file system. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, then select the picture you want to share. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. Keep in mind that very large files can take a bit longer to attach, and if your image has sensitive information, like personal documents or private details, it's best to blur or remove those before uploading. Once you've chosen your file, confirm the selection. You should see a thumbnail or file name appear in the chat composer, showing that the image is attached and ready to send. Before you hit send, consider adding a brief prompt to guide the response. This step is optional, but it can make a big difference. Tell ChatGPT what you want to learn or do with the image, whether that's identifying what's shown, extracting text, summarizing a chart, checking layout issues in a screenshot, or getting feedback on a design. The clearer your question, the more targeted the answer. For example, instead of saying thoughts, try summarize the key data trends in this chart and note anything unusual, or identify the main objects in this photo and describe their colors. When you're ready, press send. ChatGPT will process the image and your prompt, then reply with its analysis. If the first answer isn't quite what you need, follow up in the same thread and be more specific about your goal. That's it. Sign in, click the plus or paperclip in the message bar, select your image, optionally add a prompt, and send. You're now set to upload photos in ChatGPT with confidence.